How to change profile name on Pinterest. The Pinterest app has been updated, and some of its functions have been changed. One of these is changing the profile name. In this video, we show you what's new and how you can now change your profile name. Let's get started right away. Open the Pinterest app on your phone. Then tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to go to your profile. Again, tap on Profile Picture located on the top left corner. After that, tap on your profile name. Profile changes are made by clicking the Edit Profile button. Here you will find basic information like your first name, last name, and username. Click on your current name and delete it. Then enter a new name and emoji if desired. When you're done with the name change, tap the downward arrow in the bottom right corner. Next, click on the last name field and change your last name. The process is the same as for changing the first name. I don't want to add a last name, so I will leave this field blank. When you have finished entering the information, click Done to save the changes. And your profile name will be changed immediately. Really quick and easy. If the video helped you, like it. If you want more content like this, follow our channel by clicking the subscribe button.